Technology is everywhere, shaping how we live, connect, and work. The workplace is no different, with digital tools driving communication, organization, and productivity. If you're just starting your career, basic digital literacy is essential for your success. Here's why digital literacy is essential. Number one, it boosts efficiency. Knowing your way around tools like spreadsheets, email, PowerPoint, etc., helps you work faster and smarter. It's the key to excelling in fast-paced environments and sets you up for future promotions. No. 2, strengthen communication skills. From emails to video calls, digital literacy ensures you communicate clearly and professionally, even with remote teams. Number 3, increase adaptability. With digital literacy, you'll adapt to new tools easily, staying relevant and resilient in any role. Number 4, you build independence. Troubleshooting minor tech issues on your own reduces dependency on IT and makes you a more confident, proactive team member. Number 5, enhance data security awareness. Digital literacy helps you protect sensitive information, which is a critical skill for safeguarding yourself and your company. Digital literacy is more than a skill. It's the foundation of success in any role. Ready to build your digital confidence? Like, share, and follow for more career-boosting insights.